Exercise 1. Lever-seated shoulder press. We kick off this routine with the lever-seated shoulder press to safely overload the anterior deltoids with maximum mechanical tension. The machine's fixed trajectory eliminates stabilization fatigue, allowing you to push heavy weight without risking rotator cuff impingement. Keep your chest high and drive the handle straight up, pausing right before lockout to keep constant tension on the muscle. Controlling the slow eccentric descent recruits deep muscle fibers, building massive, rounded front delts for that foundational boulder shoulder look. Exercise 2. Smith machine shoulder press. Next, we double down on heavy mechanical loading with the Smith machine shoulder press to force explosive overall shoulder growth. Set your bench to a slight incline and bring the bar down just below your chin to maximize the stretch on the anterior and medial deltoid heads. Because the Smith machine locks the bar path, you can safely train to absolute muscular failure without needing a spotter. Drive the weight up explosively and control the negative to add dense, rugged thickness to your entire upper shoulder girdle. Exercise 3. Dumbbell side raise. To build that highly sought-after aesthetic V-taper, we must isolate the lateral head of the deltoid with the dumbbell side raise. Stand tall, lean slightly forward, and sweep the dumbbells out to your sides as if you are pouring water from a pitcher at the top of the movement. Keeping a slight bend in your elbows and stopping at shoulder height ensures 100% of the tension stays on the side delts, completely removing the trapezius from the equation. High repetitions and strict form here physically push your shoulders outward, widening your entire frame. Exercise 4. Dumbbell neutral press. We return to heavy pressing, but shift the biomechanics to a joint-friendly position with the dumbbell neutral press. By turning your palms to face each other, you externally rotate the shoulder joint, which significantly reduces impingement risk while heavily isolating the anterior deltoids. Drive the dumbbells straight up overhead, keeping your elbows tucked tightly and tracking strictly in front of your body. This precise alignment allows you to overload the front delts safely, packing on thick, dense muscle mass without the common shoulder pain. Exercise 5. Incline dumbbell reverse fly. You cannot have 3D boulder shoulders without developing the posterior chain, starting with the incline dumbbell reverse fly. Lie face down on a 45-degree bench to completely eliminate lower back momentum and physically trap your torso in place. Flare your elbows out and sweep the dumbbells backward in a wide arc, intensely squeezing the back of your shoulders at the peak contraction. This movement isolates the small, neglected rear deltoid fibers, pulling your shoulders backward for perfect posture and adding that critical three-dimensional pop. Exercise 6. Bar chest supported rear row. Finally, we are finishing the routine by heavily overloading the posterior deltoids with the bar chest supported rear row. By locking your chest against an incline bench, you remove all cheating momentum and shift the mechanical stress directly into the rear delts and upper traps. Grab the barbell with a wide overhand grip, flare your elbows outward at a 90-degree angle, and pull the bar aggressively toward the bottom of the bench. Squeezing the shoulder blades at the top forces massive blood flow and finishes carving out that thick, rounded armor on the back of your shoulders.